This conference will now be recorded.
Corbett National Park. The picture belongs to our friend Rajesh Bhallaji. Thank you, Rajesh ji, for sharing wonderful pictures of yours. I've made a few editing in this, and now it is very good. It's a wonderful to be into Corbett all the times. When we talk about Corbett or any of the wildlife, please understand one thing: jungle is not only about the big cats. If you ever see a herd of elephants, it's wonderful. It's uh, so this is a small family of elephants, and after all, tigers are tigers. I can speak for a number of hours for tigers and the love for tigers all the time. The picture is taken by Ankit Shukla on 1st of January 2019 in Bikala. So thought, just think what a wonderful place to be there on the 1st of January, early in the morning around 6:30 or 7, and they find this tiger hunt has been done, and thus just going through and taking its meal to somewhere else. How to reach Corbett? Corbett is lies into two districts mainly, Nainital and Pauri Garhwal, into Uttarakhand, the north of India. By rail, Ramnagar is the nearest railway station, which is the home of Corbett National Park only. Then by road, it is just 260 kilometers from Delhi, around 5 to 6 hours journey. From Dehradun, which is the capital of Uttarakhand, it's 162 kilometers, and it takes around 3.5 to 4 hours, around 4 hours. By air, again, either Delhi or Pantnagar. Pantnagar is a small base, so better is to come to Delhi or Dehradun. In fact, same way Dehradun ki flights come in. So the best way, according to me, is come here to Delhi to reach Corbett. This is the picture map of Corbett. If you see in the low, यहाँ पे जो आप देख रहे हैं, this is Ramnagar. This is the river flowing through it. On the corner of it, Ramnagar is on the banks of river Kosi, and this is the entire area of Corbett National. Corbett National Park. We have basically, this is a combination of three parks and wildlife sanctuaries, Kalagad, and the total area is much bigger. Corbett is the first national park which was started in 1936 as Haley National Park, especially to conserve the forest and especially for the Bengal tiger. There was a lot of work has been done by the Mr. Jim Corbett, who was a British army man, a hunter. Then hunter, he was used to hunt man-eaters. Corbett is always famous for the man-eaters as well in earlier times. So even in 2013, there was a man-eater was found in there at times, and he was used to call. It was called to hunt them. Then he stayed in Corbett, and his love towards the wildlife starts, and then he becomes a naturalist, come conservationist. So after his death, and he played a major role of at that during the British time to establish the first national park in India in 1936, and now after his death in 55-56, the name of the national park was changed, and it was it was done for the Jim Corbett National Park comes. In 1974, when India government thought about to save tigers, and the project Tiger was launched only from the Corbett itself. So Corbett is not only, it has a beautiful history behind it. As far as the altitude is concerned, it is pleasant to be there any time of the year. Reason, ranges is from 400 meters to 1200 meters. गर्मियों में भी, even in May June, दिन में गर्मी हो सकती है, it goes up to 35, 37. But जैसे ही शाम होती है, when the evening comes, it goes down. Beautiful to be there. The total area of Corbett National Park is 1318 square kilometers, out of which 520 is the core area, and around 800 square kilometers is the buffer zone. This is basically a dense, moist, deciduous forest. आपको बहुत बार कस्टमर से सुनने को मिलता होगा जब आपने पहले कॉर्बेट भेजे होंगे कि टाइगर तो दिखाई नहीं. यहाँ पे साल बहुत ज्यादा होता है. दिस इज द साल ट्रीज बेसिकली. I will talk why people can't see tigers in Corbett. और जब आपको शिकायत भी करते हैं कि मैं गया, उन्होंने सफारी लिए पैसे दिए लेकिन कुछ हुआ नहीं, देखा नहीं मैंने टाइगर. So, as far as flora and fauna concerned, Corbett had 50 species of mammals, 580 species of birds, which is tremendous number of birds. Then 25 species of reptiles, 56 species of butterflies, and more than 110 species of trees are found in Corbett. So it is always good to be here. Now we talk about different zones of Corbett as far as the safaris are concerned. Basically, 7 zone has Bijrani, which is closest to Ramnagar. It's open now. From last year, it is open throughout the year. Then we have Jirna, Dhela. Dekala is one of. It is also called as the heart of the Corbett as well. It is 18 kilometers from there, and it is the only location where Canter Safari is also available. बाकी सारे zones में आपको only jeep safaris are available. और Corbett में आपको पूरी जिप्सी हायर करनी पड़ती है. Not like the Ranthambore one where you can book only for 2 or 3 people. वहाँ पे per person का होता है. Corbett में आपको पूरी सफारी जिप्सी ही बुक करनी पड़ती है. Then we have दुर्गा देवी. दुर्गा देवी गेट जो है वो लगभग 28 किलोमीटर है रामनगर से, and it is a heaven for bird watchers. Durga Devi Gate. Then 2 years back, a new gate has been opened as Pakro, that is called as Sona Nadi Gate. This is the newest open gate, so the terrain and the animals are still very intact and they are untouched part of Corbett. ये जो सोना नदी जोन पाखरो जो गेट है, ये आपको लेंसडाउन की तरफ पड़ता है. लेंसडाउन से लगभग 35 किलोमीटर है जो ये गेट बना हुआ है. Then we have Safar Sitabani zone, which is the buffer zone, and very much famous for wild elephants. बहुत दिखते हैं. जो पिक्चर ये नीचे देख रहे हो, this is the picture is taken by me only, and this is वहाँ पे कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज हैं, तो आपको मेन रोड से आप जाते हैं, सफारी मेन रोड से आप अंदर जाते हो, लेकिन दिस पिक्चर इज टेकन ऑन द फ्रॉम द मेन रोड ओनली. सो सी द ब्यूटी ऑफ. आप देखोगे जो ग्रास लैंड से जैसे ही पेड़ शुरू हो जाते हैं, आपको कुछ नहीं दिखता. द जंगल इज सो डेंस, द बुशेस, इनफैक्ट इवन द ग्रास, ऐसी ग्रासेस हैं जहां पे हाथी नहीं दिखता. तो अगर वहां पे टाइगर बैठा हुआ है तो आपको दिखेगा नहीं कभी. सो दीज आर द फ्यू फैक्ट्स दैट कॉर्बेट में टाइगर्स आपको आसानी से नहीं दिखते. if you able to see the tiger in the Corvette, you are really lucky. अब क्या Corvette is only about wildlife? No, I don't think so. We have different types of we have different locations in and around Corvette which you can explore. One of the famous is Garjia Devi Temple. It is one of the famous Shakti shrine in Uttarakhand. We say that ये जो है माँ पार्वती का रूप है यहाँ पे. Goddess Parvati, who was considered as the king of mountains, गिरिराज हिमालय पर्वत जो है उनकी बेटी थी. और कोसी रिवर के साथ में है बिल्कुल ये. और कार्तिक पूर्णिमा बहुत बड़ा मेला लगता है, हजारों लाखों लोग उस टाइम आते हैं. सो कॉर्बेट में सबसे ज्यादा जो इट इज द मोस्ट विजिटेड लोकेशन आफ्टर नेशनल पार्क and just 14 kilometers from Ramnagar. A newly location is also there, that is Hanuman Dham. It is just 7.5 kilometers towards Kaladunki road. बहुत ही अच्छा टेम्पल कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाया गया है, ब्यूटीफुल टू बी देयर. तो डोंट मिस इट. Even if your religion say that don't go to any temple, सर टेम्पल को मंदिर की तरह मत जाओ. आप वहां का कंस्ट्रक्शन देख सकते हो, ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशन टू बी देयर. Then we have Corbett Museum and Corbett Waterfall as well. Corbett Museum is the same location where Edward James Jim Corbett जो जहाँ पे बंगलो में रहते थे, उसी को that has been converted into a heritage museum now, जहाँ पे उनके हंट किए हुए जानवर भी हैं और all his works is also shown there. And then we have a Corbett Waterfall जो कि वहीं से थोड़ा सा आपको इसके लिए पैदल चलना पड़ता है, लगभग 1-1.5 किलोमीटर. बट डोंट वरी, देयर इज नो वाइल्ड लाइफ ओवर देयर बिकॉज हम लोग वहाँ पे आसपास ज्यादा जाते हैं. सो जब भी पब्लिक जहाँ जाती है, जानवर वहां से भाग जाते हैं. कई बार क्वेश्चन होता है कि जानवर अटैक तो नहीं करेगा. सर जानवर इंसान से डरता है. सबसे खतरनाक जो लिविंग बीइंग है दैट इज ह्यूमन बीइंग. Animals fear of human beings. Other than this, we have Crocodile Point. एक Crocodile Point जब हम डिकाला के अंदर जाते हैं सफारी के लिए, एक वहां पे है. और दूसरा एक रामनगर से मार्चुला एरिया जो आता है. मार्चुला इज अराउंड 35 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम रामनगर. मार्चुला में एंट्री से पहले ही एक छोटा सा पॉइंट आता है जहां से आप ऊपर से नदी में नीचे आप देखोगे तो वंडरफुल आपको ये दिखेगा. मुझे अक्सर दिखा है वहां पे क्रोकोडाइल्स दूर से. लेकिन हाँ, आई ऑलवेज सजेस्ट कि आपके पास अगर आप टुवर्ड्स कॉर्बेट आप किसी भी नेशनल पार्क में जा रहे हो, बाइनोकुलर्स यू शुड हैव इट. तो क्रोकोडाइल पॉइंट इज देयर. एंड अदर देन दैट यू कैन आल्सो हैव एडवेंचर जोन इज आल्सो देयर, जहां पे आप कुछ एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हैं लाइक रोप एक्टिविटीज, रैपलिंग, क्वाड बाइकिंग्स आर अवेलेबल इन कॉर्बेट एज वेल. तो आप एडवेंचर जोन, कॉर्बेट एडवेंचर जोन के नाम से वो लोकेशन है, आप उसको विजिट कर सकते हैं. यू एंड योर फैमिली वुड फॉर श्योर एंजॉय दिस एक्टिविटीज. अब जो ये वो चीजें जो आपको बहुत सारे लोगों ने बताई होंगी, या आपको जो एजेंट्स हैं जिनके साथ आप काम करते हैं, they must have told you. Now I've given you a new thing, that is Jim Corbett Heritage Trail. It is done at कालाडूंगी, जहाँ पे उनका गांव है, जिसके पास में कॉर्बेट म्यूजियम है. ये वहां पे की जाती है. फॉर द विलेजर्स यूज्ड टू डू दिस. और इसके वो लोकेशंस बताते हैं जहाँ पे कॉर्बेट जो था वो रहा थे. और उनके उस ब्यूटीफुल टू बी देयर. इट्स टेक अराउंड 2 hours. मोती हाउस, चौपाल, muzzle loading gun, Corbett wall. This is the Corbett wall. Museum is there. Interaction with villagers. In fact, गाइड्स एंड रिफ्रेशमेंट भी देते हैं। इफ यू आर सीइंग दिस कैनाल, Jim Corbett has written that his sisters used to, when his sisters used to नहाने के लिए जाते थे, तो he used to take his gun out and protect them at that time. So it's wonderful to be there. This is what I always say. When in jungle, always ready with your photographic gears, because जाने क्या दिख जाए. This is a perfect example. Again, the credit goes to Rajesh Bhallaji. Thank you, Rajesh ji, for sharing your wonderful pictures. This is just an example कि लोग क्यों बोलते हैं कि कॉर्बेट में दिखता नहीं. अब राजेश जी की किस्मत बहुत अच्छी थी, उनको दिख गया ये जहाँ से सफारी कर रहे थे. अगर ये यहाँ से हार्डली 2 या 5 मीटर पीछे होता तो, और ये बैठा हुआ है, ये तो अभी खड़ा है, अगर ये बैठा हुआ होता तो अब कोई नहीं देख पाता इसको. It will be really very hard to see these beautiful animals when in bushes, and the bushes and the grass are so numerous कि उनको देखना बहुत मुश्किल आती है कॉर्बेट के अंदर. This is one of the main reason कि जब आपके गेस्ट जाते हैं या हम जाते हैं, हम सफारी करते हैं, फिर भी ये आके बोल देते हैं कि टाइगर तो दिखाई नहीं मुझे. अब एक बात बताइए, अगर ये खड़ा है तो ये नहीं दिख रहा, अगर ये बैठ जाएगा तो आपको लगता है कि ये देख पाओगे आप उसको? I don't think so. This is the reason I always say wildlife is not about big cats only. It's awesome when you see a herd of elephants. Elephants का जो झुंड होता है उसको herd बोला जाता है इंग्लिश में. And let me tell you, it's a open proven fact that elephant is one of the smartest mammal on earth. So it is always good to see them, and they are also called as gentle giants. So I always love them. Same way, everyone should not and think only about tigers. They are beautiful creatures like these, and you will be surprised. जो herd में जो head होता है, that is always a female. First thing, the most aged female, जो सबसे बुजुर्ग होंगी, वही उस herd को control करती. So we always salute to the females brought into our society. Even this is a perfect example that females are not the inferior, they are the superior. As we always say that Corbett is a heaven for bird watchers as well. So these, out of these 4 pictures, 2 are taken by me, 2 are again from the Rajesh ji. अब राजेश जी की वर्डिंग है कि जो ये this kid of the owl you are looking, he has never seen, इससे बड़ा उन्होंने आज तक उल्लू नहीं देखा. बहुत सारी जगह गए हैं. This is pied kingfisher, please. So welcome to Corbett. अब कॉर्बेट में what are the nights की ऑप्शन? अगर आप आते हैं तो where you are going to stay? We have some government forest rest houses. These are very basic but they are into the forest only. अब इनकी बुकिंग में एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आती है, वो ये है, as an Indian we can do the booking for 60 days in advance, whereas the foreigners can make these bookings before that as well. So इनको इनमें बुकिंग मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है, लेकिन we will try to, if your clients want, we can try to give them the bookings here. अब ये आपको ऑप्शन बहुत आसानी से आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेंगे जो आपको दे रहा हूँ. Bisrani के अंदर Bisrani Forest Rest House and Malani Forest Rest House, they are both built in 1930. 1930s की वो बिल्डिंग है जिसमें चल रहे हैं आज भी. In Jharna zone we have Jharna Forest Rest House. Dhela में Dhela Forest Rest House है. In Dikala, this is Dikala gate नहीं, Dhangadi gate है basically. Then we have 4 properties over there: Dikala Forest Rest House, Garal, Sabduli or Sultan. These are the four forest rest houses. Then in Durga Devi we have Lohachod Forest Rest House. In Pakro, the newest Sonanadi zone which has opened 2 years back. Then we have Haldu Parao, Rathu Vata, Mundia Pani and Morghati. These are the forest rest houses which are available into the Corbett National Park inside. But out of them, we have private hotels and resorts, starting from budget to luxury category. All sort of categories are available, and which makes you stay comfortable and relaxed. The forest rest houses है, I'm not saying that अगर आपको इसमें they are very basic, तो बहुत सारे लोगों को वो उसको कईयों में AC भी नहीं है, तो different things are there, but these private ones have all the facilities which you want. Even in 3-star category, you can find swimming pool options as well. This is a small itinerary which we have designed. First is arriving to Corbett. If you are coming from outside Delhi, so arrive at Delhi and transfer to Corbett and check into your hotel and stay at the hotel and enjoy the activities in the property itself. Next day, early morning, you can go for a safari. The safari gypsy will take you around 5:30 to 6 a.m. from your property and enjoy the wildlife during the safari time. And don't make noise during the safari time. Especially we Indians, ये हमारी बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है कि अगर कोई टाइगर भी दिख गया, कुछ भी दिख गया, some people start shouting. We need to eliminate them and request करना पड़ता, कई बार बोलना भी पड़ता ज़्यादा. Later in the day, you come back around 10:30 or 11. So have a late breakfast, then enjoy some activities, and later on visit Gadkya Devi Temple and Crocodile. Later on, you can enjoy some more activities. The next day, we can visit Hanuman Dham, then Corbett Museum, Corbett Waterfall. These are on the Corbett Dham. उसी रोड पे आगे जाके आप Corbett Water Museum और Waterfall कर सकते हैं. If you want to go for the Heritage Trail, so Corbett Museum के साथ ही वहीं पे उसी गांव में Heritage Trail होती है. We can, if you wish, we can arrange that as well. And 4th day, you can check out from the Corbett and come back to your to Delhi or your location. This is a 3-night itinerary, which is, I think, which is perfect for a location called as Corbett. Other than this, if you want to club together for you have some time more, I will just sharing a few locations which are close to Corbett. Nainital. Nainital is just 95 kilometers from here. So you can club this with Nainital as well. There is a single road. Nainital जाने के लिए तो आपको double road available है, but there is a single road which you can take and which can go to Ranikhet as well. तो आपने नैनीताल देखा हुआ है, तो you can club Corbett with Ranikhet as well. And it is always, Mount Hood is always there, which takes Corbett, Wasani, Almoda, Ranikhet, Corbett. So as per your requirement, we can create a package like this. These are a few more locations which we do: Corbett, Ranthambore, Painch, Bandhavgarh, Tadoba, Kabini. Experience shiver in your spine when you look into my eyes. अगर कभी they don't attack humans, बहुत रेयर चांसेस होते हैं. आई फील कि कुछ हजारों में एक चांस होगा जब कभी अटैक किया गया होगा, लाखों में. Otherwise they don't attack, and it's always wonderful. This is what I am. Praveen, my name is Praveen Galot. I am the owner of Right India Travels, and we do promote wildlife through wildlifepackages.in our website. These are the details which we have. This is from my side. We have 4 hotels as well, who will share us their property details so that we can go through. अगर हम रुकना चाहें तो you can choose them as well. So just give me time so that. Sarabjit ji, you are there?
Yeah, I'm there, Praveen. Shall I start, Praveen?
Welcome,
hello,
Sarabjit
everyone.
ji.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. Praveen, can you start from the first slide, please?
Yes, yes. Please.
Hello, everyone. Before I start my presentations, I would like to inform everyone out here that Namha, we have reopened Namha on 20th June for business. So in case anyone has any queries now, we are open for the business now. Now, you can see from the first slide, Namha straight from the heart. So as you can see from our logo itself is showing that the lady is doing Namaskar. So it is our tagline, Namha straight from the heart. Second slide, Praveenji. See, Namha is one of the finest luxury resorts situated in Dikuli, and it's spread over of 9 acres of land. As you can see in the pictures that there is a river on the other side. The one side, it is basically on the bank of Kosi River. So while staying at Namha, you find yourself close to the nature. Next slide, please.
Sure, sir.
Okay. In Namha has 48 rooms, and we have all-day dining restaurant by the name of Pratha. We have in-house bar by the name of Boon, then in-room dining, then spa and fitness center. We do have meeting and banqueting facilities. So these are the facilities available at our resorts. Vinji, next slide, please. In this picture, you can see that yes, in 48 rooms we have 3 type of categories.
Just a second.
Yeah.
Somebody is speaking from where? Sir, I request others to please mute yourself so that Rohit ji, this is not the platform where आप अपने chat का invitation डालें. रोहित गंभीर जी.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
सर अपना presentation कीजिए और वहाँ पे आप कुछ भी डालिए. Please don't come to others and use it. Please.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Sarabjit ji, please.
Praveen जी, आप पीछे लेंगे slides को. Let me explain all of them about the different categories that Nama has.
Yes.
And Nama, in totality, we have 48 rooms, and in 48 rooms, we have 16 premium rooms, which is our starting categories. Then we have 28 superior rooms. Then we have 4 suites. And the USP of all the rooms is that for every room has a private sit out, a balcony where you can sit and you can enjoy the nature. So, I mean, if you are staying at Nama, I'm repeating again, you find yourself close to the nature. And secondly, the entire block of our suites, which is our highest most category, you can get a view of river as well because it is situated on the bank of Kosi River. This is our showing us a picture of This is our again pictures of our all-day dining restaurant Pratha, where we are basically serving all type of cuisines, right from Indian, continental, Chinese. Then it's a 60 cover restaurant we have. Then we have in-house bar that has 25 covers. Now it's our banquet hall by the name of Kosi. It has a capacity of taking 120 guests in a cluster style. So we do a lot of the corporate conferences plus weddings. So we can basically it has a capacity of taking 300 guests in our ballroom. Then in our lawns also we have the facilities of taking more than 1,000 people. Next slide, please. Again, as I have told you just now that we I mean do a lot of weddings also.
सर सरबजीत जी एक सेकंड में म्यूट कर दूं. सरबजीत जी अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. बीच बीच में अब इस प्लेटफॉर्म का एक छोटी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि बीच में लोग बोलते रहते हैं. सरबजीत जी अनम्यूट कर लीजिए एक बार अपने आप को.
Hello.
हाँ.
Yeah, in a banquet hall we can take 300 guests, and in cluster city we can accommodate 100 to 120 person at a time. And we do weddings functions also at Nama. So as we have the infrastructure for catering to the big fat weddings, as we have huge lawns at Nama, so we can make the guest up to we can take up to 1,000 guests at a time. Next slide, please, Praveen.
वॉइस किसकी आ रही पीछे से समझ में नहीं आ रहा. प्लीज कंटिन्यू सरबजीत जी.
हाँ जी, next slide, please.
Panchit or Aryan.
We have our we have recreational facilities. Please take slides को पीछे लेंगे, Praveen, please.
Yes, sure.
We have our in-house recreational facilities out here. We have a pool table, billiards. Then we have a facilities of spa, and we have a fitness center, gymnasium. Next slide, please.
Please tell about swimming pool also.
Yes, swimming pool.
Yeah, we do have. Yeah, we do have a swimming pool, sir. So I think that's what.
बीच में ना समझ में नहीं आता, अपने आप को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते और फिर भी. Please continue, Sarabjit.
Yeah, that's it. This is what this is all about, Nama.
Thank you, Sarabjit ji. It was a wonderful presentation.
Thank you, Praveen, for giving us an opportunity to showcase Nama on this platform. Thank you.
So considering the COVID situation, so swimming pool allowed?
सर चैतन्य जी एक बार बाकी की प्रेजेंटेशन हो जाए उसके बाद
Okay.
Priyanka, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Please continue. Priyanka ji will be sharing the property called as Bryce Caves, a beautiful property in the lap of nature. Please.
Yeah, so Bryce Caves, as everyone knows, like situated in Bhaktapur, Mohan. So first of all, I would like to introduce like our resort is the best resort as it's like Asia's #1 theme caves resort. So theme has been given as caves, our rooms, everything. Move in second slide. Praveen ji?
काशी भेजा ना तूने फोटो
Yeah. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. So I was saying this is the Asia's #1 theme caves resort. We have 40 rooms in total. 16 we have deluxe caves, which is our like starting category. We have balcony and bathtub in all the rooms. Then 16 we have executive suite caves where we have bathtub with jacuzzi and balcony and corridor in front. Then we have 8 suites here. Suites, like our highest suites is tree house, which has 2 bedroom with living area and entire sitting area separately. And then we do have a restaurant. Third slides, please.
Yes.
Our restaurant Timberland is like a world cuisine restaurant where we serve multi-cuisine food. Then we have banquets, 2 banquets. So we can organize a conference or wedding for maximum 250 people in our lawn and banquets. We have 2 banquets here and 2 lawns. So while coming to the resort, if guests are coming, that will be a thrilling ride for them. As the way, if like any of you must have visited this place earlier, you must have known. Like it's a thrilling ride because it's on like the hills. So while coming here, we arrange our gypsy from our parking to here. Then we arrange lots of conference and weddings also in our banquets in our lawns. Then we have a discotheque which we open every day in the evening when we were running, but now again definitely we are going to start it. So this is like extremely soundproof as we are in jungle, so sounds are not allowed outside. So it's soundproof discotheque which we have. So guests can do their parties or get together or anything over there. Hello,
Yes.
can you hear me?
Sure.
Okay.
We can hear you.
Yes, and for kids, we have toy train here, which take them around to the resort in the evening. Then we have 5D theater also. We have indoor and outdoor activities. And we have health center, then swimming pool and a spa. As I already informed you about Timberland, that our restaurant,
The middle picture is your
the middle one. Yes,
the
the middle one is our discotheque, and the last one is our restaurant. Yes. This is our fun zone. Yeah, first one is our fun zone, first and second.
These are a few pictures of the property.
Yes, these are a few pictures. It's our deluxe cave, executive suite cave, and then our twin deluxe.
This is the resort
Thank you
address.
so much. Yeah, this is our address.
Thank you, Priyanka, for joining us.
Pleasure. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for presenting our slides.
No problem.
Thank you.
Welcome. And next is our the Golden Tusk. Anirudhji, are you there, sir?
Yes, Praveenji, thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Firstly, thank you, Praveenji, for a wonderful presentation on Corbett and a brief to the audience. It's very important
I
that.
I think I
sorry?
made some justice to Corbett.
Yes, of course, because it's very important to get the the idea right across to the guest. Sometimes we were discussing this yesterday, and unrealistic expectations also lead to a bad customer experience. So it's very justified to give this presentation by you, to put the picture of the Corbett experience into perspective. Thank you for that.
Welcome.
I'll start with the Golden Tusk. The Golden Tusk is a boutique luxury 4-star deluxe resort in Corbett. We are spread in about 9 acres of area. Our focus is that once the guest has checked into the resort, there is never a dull moment, and hence the hashtag. There is something for every guest that we try to offer of every age, whether young or old. All moods of guests. Somebody is coming for wildlife and adventure. Somebody is coming for rejuvenation, romantics, honeymoon couples, so on and so forth. These are some of our achievements that I've put here. We won the TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice Award in 2014, and after that we've earned a certificate of excellence every year since then. It is a testament to our efforts of maintaining a happy guest experience. We've also been certified by Top Tigers, which is an NGO working towards sustainable tourism and wildlife destinations. They have a very rigorous auditing process to ensure that the property practices responsible tourism. And we can confidently say that we try to follow the best practices to ensure that we are a responsible operator in Corbett. Next slide, please, Praveenji. So as I said that, we are committed to creating memorable holiday experiences for guests. And, with COVID and the entire hygiene and sanitization concerns with everybody, which I will speak on eventually in the presentation, we've sensitively implemented, and we urge our guests to leave behind the worries when you enter the Golden Tusk and assure you of a secured holiday with us. Next slide, please. So I've tried to keep the presentation heavy on images and I'll speak and explain about the various aspects of the property. So this is firstly about the location. We are on the southern periphery of Corbett, on the banks of a river Dhela. It's a monsoon river. It's a quite little village which is detached but yet fairly close to the nearest town, which is Ramnagar, about 14 kilometers from there. We're just 5 minutes drive from two safari zones of Corbett, which is Dhela and Jhirna zones. We are about 20 minutes away from the Bijrani zone of Corbett. This photo that you see on the top is actually the view from the resort. This photo is being clicked from our restaurant. We are the only resort in Corbett which offers 2 swimming pools to its guests. Unfortunately, right now, probably soon the swimming pools become operational again. This is one of the pools that's there in the photo. This is a villa accommodation, the one on the right. I'll explain more about this in the coming slides. Next slide, please. Yes, these are the some other outdoor shots of the resort. On the top left is the view of the country view and the forest view suites. On the right is the luxury tented accommodation. Very unique accommodation styles, one of the most luxurious tented accommodations in Corbett. Another outdoor view of the long sprawling lawns and the swimming pool and the restaurant. So I'll speak of accommodation now. We've got 7 different categories of room, total 53 accommodations. Rooms are differentiated based on experiences and sizes, but all are equipped with the same basic amenities which we feel are very essential to a good wildlife or a nature holiday experience. Things like a private outdoor seating. Every room is equipped with outdoor seating, a personal lounge, en-suite lounge, and then of course basic amenities like LEDs, mini bars, tea stations, so on and so forth. This is our first category, the basic category room, which is called the country view suite. As I said, all rooms are suite category, minimum suite category rooms. So this is the first category. These are ground floor accommodations, which give you a beautiful view of the fields around the resort and also the gardens. Again, as you can see in the photo, there is a lounge and an outdoor seating also. This is the, yes, please next slide, yes. This is the next category of room, which are the forest view suites. These are all first floor suites, which give you a beautiful view of the forest, which shares the boundary with the resort. Very similar in size and amenities as to the country view suite, but a better view. This is a relatively newer accommodation, which we call the pool view suite. This is the accommodation which overlooks the second pool that the resort has. We have 14 such accommodations. Again, en-suite lounge. This room also is equipped with a walk-in dressing room, a beautiful view of the swimming pool from the balconies, and the other standard amenities. Villa. Very, very beautifully themed rooms. Again, these rooms are themed as per the plants which are planted around these rooms. So if you look at this photo in particular, on the top left, the photo of the villa from the outside, the plant haliconias, and so this cottage is called the Haliconia cottage. It would have the paintings and themes around Haliconia in these rooms. Again, equipped with the lounge. This also has a walk-in dressing room, about 550 square feet in size, outdoor sitting also. Villa Grande, these are a bigger villa, 650 square feet in size, comfortably accommodates 4 adults with 1 bed and the other and a big sofa cum bed in the lounge, and other standard amenities. Tiger Suites, these are 2-bedroom suites, particularly designed keeping the families in mind, those who would want to keep 2 rooms very close to each other. So these rooms have a common entrance, but both rooms have their privacy doors. Both rooms are equipped with separate bathrooms, separate amenities. The master bedroom is equipped with a bathtub also, and a dressing room also. The luxury tented accommodation I spoke about, again, big, huge, 550 square feet in size. It's got a separate lounge. The bathrooms are pakka bathrooms to ensure a proper hygiene for all our guests. And as you can see, all amenities, including air conditioning. Dining experiences. Being a FIT-driven resort, we take pride in giving various different dining experiences. This one is particular is very unique. The one you see in this photograph. This is a romantic pool dining experience that we give. Imagine yourself in a candlelit evening with water up to your knees and a butler serving you food there in the middle of a swimming pool. Of our pool dining, the dining experiences. This outdoor deck which overlooks the forest, a beautiful place to be in the daytime and the evening both. The photo on the top right is one of the romantic dining experiences that we've done for our guests. Bottom left is our multi-cuisine buffet and a la carte restaurant. The middle one in the bottom is a bar room. We are also equipped with a bar, in-house bar. Speaking of the events, we specialize in doing closely knit events of up to 200 to 300 guests. I'll share some of the images here in the next slide about some of the events that we have done. These are some outdoor settings that we've done. This slide is fine. Speaking of the indoor banqueting and the conferencing venues, we have got 5 different venues, one of which can be divided into 2. So 4 different venues, including one venue. Our biggest venue, which is called the Hive 1 and 2, can accommodate up to 400 guests in theater style and about 180 guests in a cluster style, round table style seating. Hive 3 is a boardroom-like setup, the photo that you see on the right. It can be again used as a breakaway room and also a small meeting room. And then we've got a rendezvous, which is about 1800 square feet in size, and a bus, which we use. It's a soundproof room, which we also use for musical events. All our facilities are equipped with the pre-installed AV facilities and are acoustically designed. Next slide, please. Now, when somebody is coming to Corbett, activities and excursions is a very important part of it. Most of it has been spoken by Praveenji, and Praveenji speaking about elephant sighting being special. You can look at this magnificent image that a guest is clicking of the elephant. Here. Okay. Speaking of the activity, range of recreational facilities within the resort. Some of here are there in the photos. We've got a spa with 2 therapy rooms, including a couple therapy room and individual therapy room. We've got a gymnasium and a fitness center. As far as outdoor activities goes, we've got a long list, including a basketball, volleyball, badminton, croquet. We've got an adventure activity center, which has got activities like wall climbing, rappelling, flying fox. We are also now ready with a small, something unique to Corbett right now. It's a recreational golf putting range with various obstructions and maneuvering required for the guests. We've got a kids play zone, and of course then we've got safaris and bird watching trips and other excursions. I'll just take some more time speaking about the safety and hygiene initiatives that we've taken given the new situation, and we are planning to open over the next week or two, implementing these initiatives. So I'll take everybody quickly through this, what all we are doing as far as this is concerned. Is our priority, and assure that all these safety initiatives are taking place. We ensure that our team stays fit, so they self-monitor themselves, they adhere to the respiratory hygiene, the temperature checks happen on a daily basis, they ensure physical distancing, we wear masks and gloves at all times, there are multiple sanitization stations, they also wear face shields and headgear wherever required. Ensuring that all you touch is safe and secure, that means that the resort is biosecure. So all the vehicles are sanitized and the material is sanitized at the time of entry. Sanitization for everybody entering the resort. Previous slide, please, Praveenji.
Back. Next.
Yeah, thank you. No, yes. No, the next slide.
सर आई फील देखो जो सैनिटाइजेशन है या जो आफ्टर कोविड की है एवरी सिंगल होटल
हाँ मैं बस 1 मिनट लूंगा प्रफुल्ल जी I'm just left with this slide.
Look.
So also to ensure a minimal check-in, we've tried to organize it and try to ensure that maximum formalities are done at the reception, at the reservation stage, and then of course sanitization of luggage, your temperature checks, use of Aarogya Setu, using contactless check-in methods, so on and so forth. Last slide please, and some rules that some things that we're doing to ensure the guests remain safe while staying at the resort. So yeah, Praveenji, thank you very much.
No problem, sir. We are welcome. Last but not the least, that is Latigre Resort. मुनेंद्र जी यहीं से चला दूं मैं आपकी स्लाइड मुनेंद्र जी आर यू देयर
हेलो
हाँ जी तिवारी जी
हेलो
हाँ जी तिवारी जी बोलिए आपकी आवाज आ रही है
हाँ जी सर यहीं पे कर सकते हैं कोई सर कर सकते हैं यहीं पे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है
डन सर
हेलो
सर बोलना शुरू कीजिए ऑल योर्स
हेलो
आवाज आ रही है सर बोलिए
सर वॉइस आ रही है
आ रही है बिल्कुल
हाय एवरीवन माय नेम इज मुनेंद्र हेलो
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए आप हम सब बोलेंगे तो आप नहीं बोलेंगे इसलिए आप बोलिए अकेले
sir actually Latigre Resort like this is the best in Marchula Jim Corbett National Park and this is a like different unique concept is Jim Corbett National Park. Basically this is a luxury villa resort in Jim Corbett National Park. That is a 4-star luxury resort and this is situated at Marchula and 6-hour comfortable drive from Delhi. What makes Latigre unique is its strategic location which displays all force of nature. surrounded by jungle, hills on 3 sides and holy river Ram Ganga and 4 sides. The property is nested on a hillock. The location offers a unique natural landscape of jungle, hills, rivers, flora and fauna. La Tigre Resort offer stay in 14 2 BHK luxury villas, and which give us a chance to stay in group and enjoy the blessings of nature. And we have 3 category of villas. Sir, next slide, please. Hello.
Sir,
Sir, next, please. Yeah. We have a 3 category of villas. One is the premier 2 BHK villa, and the villa has a 2 bedroom, 2 washroom, with the living room, with sofa cum bed, sit out area, kitchenette and fireplace. And we can accommodate comfortably 6 people on that. And second is the Imperial villa. This is a second higher category room. And this is the same like 2 BHK villa. The villa has 2 bedroom, 2 washroom, living room, with the sofa cum bed, sit out area, kitchenette and fireplace. And one more category is a picture is not there, presidential suite. So this is a one living room with 42 inches TV, AC, sofa cum bed, sitting area, inbuilt in living room, and with the 2 bedroom, 2 washroom and living room. This is a swimming pool and baby pool. Next, please. This is a restaurant, Tigre Bistro multi-cuisine restaurant, and we have 60-70 people of sitting there, and properly multi-cuisine like buffet setup and a la carte system also there. This is the in-house activities, like we have a chess, pool table, bird houses, mango voltage, swimming pool, baby pool, tire swing, mini library, a billiard table, photo booth with PLA cards, nature walk with the guide, jungle trek, mountain trek, river swimming, and carom boards also. Next, please.
Okay, sir.
We can offer you like conferences, photography tour, pre-wedding shoot, student tour, bird watching day, outing, honeymoon tour, and destination visiting also. यहाँ पे एक चीज और है कि नियर बाई काफी सारे प्लेसेस हैं। एक तो जैसे कॉर्बेट नॉर्मली लोग जाते हैं एंड देन की वो सफारी को फेस बना करके जाते हैं कि सफारी मिलेगा तो जाएंगे एंड अदरवाइज नहीं जाएंगे। तो यहाँ पे काफी सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं जो डिफरेंट है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दुर्गा देवी गेट जहाँ से जीप सफारी होती है, एंड सेकेंड इज द क्रोकोडाइल पॉइंट। यहाँ पे क्रोकोडाइल दिखते हैं जो प्रवीण जी ने स्टार्टिंग में ही बताया था आपको, मरचुला साइड का है ये, और ये नियर बाई रिसोर्ट है विद इन 200 मीटर ओनली। थर्ड इज रामगंगा रिवर फ्रंट, यहाँ पे आप स्विमिंग कर सकते हैं एंड देन फिशिंग वगैरह भी होती है। मशीर फिशिंग पॉइंट भी है यहाँ पे, तो फिशिंग वगैरह भी वहाँ पे देख सकते हैं। सिटिंग एरिया है तो नाइट में बॉन फायर वगैरह भी रिवर साइड में कर सकते हैं। एंड फोर्थ इज झूला पुल, ये ब्रिटिश कालीन वो है, तो उस झूला पुल में फोटोग्राफी काफी सारी अच्छी आती है। एंड सेकेंड इज यहाँ पे मूवी की काफी सारी शूटिंग्स हुई हैं, तो एक नेचर बेस्ड है, यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हैं। थर्ड इज हिमालयन, फिफ्थ इज हिमालयन व्यू। एक्चुअली मरचुला से 18 किलोमीटर आगे आपका अल्मोड़ा एरिया लगता है और वहाँ से आप तल्ली 60 विलेज करके आता है, वहाँ पे आपको हिमालयन व्यू भी दिख सकता है। एंड सेकेंड थिंग की सपोज आप जैसे मई जून के महीने में जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे काफी अच्छा वेदर कंडीशन होता है, तो डे आउटिंग के लिए आप वहाँ पे जा सकते हैं। एंड सिक्स्थ इज गर्जिया देवी टेम्पल, ये आपको पता ही होगा नॉर्मली। मनीला देवी टेम्पल है मरचुला से 32 किलोमीटर, और वहाँ पे मनीला देवी माता का टेम्पल है। काफी अच्छी सीनिक ब्यूटी भी है और हिमालयन व्यू भी दिखता है वहाँ से। यहाँ पे जंगल ट्रैक भी आप कर सकते हैं एंड माउंटेन ट्रैक भी कर सकते हैं। आप रिसोर्ट से निकलेंगे एंड 100 मीटर से आपको स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, तो नॉर्मली हम गाइडेड वगैरह देते हैं इसके लिए और आप इसके साथ जा सकते हैं। फाइन ऑयल हार्वेस्टिंग पॉइंट जो है ये स्टूडेंट टूर्स के लिए है, जहाँ पे कि केमिकल्स वगैरह पेड़ से निकालते हैं। एंड माशिर फिशिंग पॉइंट जो मैंने आपको बताया कि यहाँ पे फिशिंग वगैरह भी नॉर्मली होती है, तो काफी कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट के अकॉर्डिंग।
ये है हमारे मुनिंदर जी, हेड सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग फॉर लाटिग्रे रिजॉर्ट मार्चुला। थैंक यू मुनिंदर जी फॉर
Thank you so much, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome.